Like it feels like if I got sand and put it in like a product.
Pretty flower, pretty rose, pretty highs, pretty lows, pretty friends, pretty foes.
Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Mocha and I'm back at it again with a new video. And today we're gonna be doing a review of Kylie skin, okay? Kylie skincare. Yes, I got most of the things the other day. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. I'm missing the vitamin C serum, but I don't really think that was that necessary. So this is what I picked up. All this was picked up from Ulta Beauty, by the way. I didn't get it from the website just because the website sells out too fast. So that's everything. I have tried a few of the products, not all of the ones I have yet, but so far I really liked it. So this is gonna be a little review on the skincare, okay? So if you want to see this video, then keep watching. So the first thing that she has is the foaming face wash. So here it is. It looks like this. It's in a super cute packaging. All the packaging is like pink and super cute. So I saw in some of her videos, she said just use like one pump and that's good enough. And I also have a bowl of water here. So I'm just gonna wet my face real quick. And I actually have been looking for a new skincare, so if I actually really like this, I'm gonna be using this one most of the time because I used to use a Glossier, but I ran out of that a while ago, but that was my favorite skincare products. So yeah, but I did get a facial. I got a dermaplaning facial, but I don't know if my skin reacted badly to it or what it was. But when I tell you guys, I do not break out. I do not break out, and when I do, it's just like a little few bumps on my forehead. I broke out in like pimples like all over my face. Like it was bad. So I just left it alone for a while. I didn't wash it with really anything, just left my skin alone so it could heal back. So there's still a few like little bumps like that are still here that need to go away, but I had the facial like almost a month ago now. And I'm gonna use one pump, and it's super foamy like that, but yeah. It's super foamy. Oh, it feels nice. It's not what I expected it to feel like. It doesn't feel like, when I put it on yesterday, it didn't feel like let's say if you're putting like a foaming soap on your face. You know how those feel? They're kind of harsh. This doesn't feel that way. It feels more like a creamy foam, if that's possible. It feels really luxurious. It does. It's very thick. Like one pump literally does enough. So that is the face wash. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off. Okay, so washing off the face wash. My face does not feel really dry, and I have really dry skin. But some face washes I use, my skin feels really dry afterwards. Like it feels like everything was just like stripped out, almost if you wash it with like soap. And this honestly does not feel that way. Here is the walnut face scrub. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and wet my face, and we're gonna try out this next product. Some people have been saying this makes them bleed or whatever, and I've heard a whole bunch of stuff about this. So let's see how it goes. Let's go to town. Oh wow. You know what this feels like? It feels like I'm literally, wow, no, I haven't felt a scrub like this. This scrub feels, the grains feel very, very small. Like it feels like if I got sand and put it in like a product and I'm like, well, yeah, it feels like I'm putting like sand on my face, honestly. Most exfoliators I use have bigger exfoliants in it, so that might be why. But it doesn't hurt or anything. It just literally, like if you want to get a feel of what it feels like, it just feels like sand, like literal sand and cream. I'm rubbing sand across my face. Alright, nothing like crazy. It just feels like a nice exfoliant. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off now. Alright, so my face does feel smoother, and like I said, I haven't exfoliated since I got my dermaplaning facial. So yeah, like wow, honestly, looking in the camera, like you guys tell me, but looking in the camera, it looks like my skin is way smoother. Like it looks very smooth, like it really does. Nothing hurts, nothing feels weird. These spots right here are a little red, but that might just be because I'm exfoliating. But if you can see right here, it's a little red. But I think that happens with exfoliants anyways. The next product I'm gonna go in with is the Kylie Skin Vanilla Milk Toner. I actually love this product. I've tried this one too. I love this product that it comes in a really big bottle with 8 fluid ounces, and that's quite a bit because you don't use that much toner. Honestly, you just need a little dollop. And this is what the bottle looks like. I honestly love like all the packaging. There has been some bad reviews on the entire skincare line, but I honestly think it's from people that haven't tried it or people that are biased. Like Kylie's Skin is so far from what I've used in the past few days, it's a pretty good line. Like maybe it's nothing completely crazy, but at the price point, it's not supposed to be a completely luxury skincare brand. But everything feels good. My bumps have been going down. Don't just hate on the products because of who it comes from, okay guys? Kylie is a boss. I honestly look up to her business wise. Like, hey, get the coins, okay? So we're gonna go ahead, put a little bit on there, just like that. Like that's all you need. And it looks like this. It literally looks like milk. Oh, and this toner is also alcohol free. That's something else I have a problem with having dry skin. A lot of toners have alcohol in them, which strips your skin even more. After you're doing your whole skincare routine, it strips your skin from the alcohol. It makes your skin even drier. So I think this is my first time actually trying a toner that doesn't have alcohol in it, and I actually really like it. Here's what it looks like after. I wasn't wearing any makeup, so nothing really came off on here. And I've cleaned my skin quite a few times today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dab it in anywhere. And here's what it looks like. It pretty much just absorbs into the skin. Like I said, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like my skin is looking pretty good so far. Like it looks like I'm glowing. The next product I'm gonna use is the Kylie Skin Face Moisturizer, and I tried this one also. Like, my skin loves a nice thick moisturizer. Like, it comes in a super similar bottle as the face scrub. Only difference is it has a pump instead of a squeeze, which is pretty cool. So yeah, good moisturizer is super important in my skincare routine. Like, super important, y'all. My skin is so dry. Like, I start peeling if I don't do anything. which I haven't been because I ran out of my moisturizer. The last one I was using was the priming moisturizer from Glossier. Like I said, love that. Like, I love it. So, and that is what it looks like with the moisturizer. So that's how I'm looking so far, y'all. And we have one more product which I haven't tried yet. Just picked this one up today. This is the eye cream, and here's what the eye cream looks like. People say the wand is similar to the Tatcha eye cream, but y'all, I'm not about to pay $80 for an eye cream, okay? I have been having a little problem with bags and dark circles, so I was like, wait a minute, why didn't I pick up the eye cream yesterday? I need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Like I said, I haven't used eye cream, guys, so if I don't apply it right, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I had put more on my right eye. Okay. Well, it feels pretty like hydrating. My lips are like super dry, so I'm gonna go in with my Mocha Beauty. So I'm gonna go in with my Mocha Beauty lip oil. This is from my brand, by the way, if you don't already know. If you want to check out my brand, I'm going to leave the link down below, as well as the links to get all of Kylie's products, so you guys can be glowing. That on, I'm going to go ahead and put on my lip gloss in the color Strawberry Delight. This is also from my brand Mocha Beauty. The face wash and the moisturizer are my two favorite products out of this line. The eye cream might be a favorite too, just depending on how my skin, like my eyes, react to it. Like I said, I've been using these for a few days, so these are A1. Depending on how my face reacts to the eye cream, I am gonna let you guys know. But so far, I mean, it feels nice and hydrated. It looks hydrated. Like I said, give a brand a chance, okay? I really think Kylie Skin is really good. My overall impression is pretty positive. I didn't have any really bad reactions, any really bad like scratching, bleeding, none of that. But that might be also because my skin isn't that sensitive. Usually I can use most products on it and it won't harm me. So if you do have more sensitive skin or more acne prone skin, you might want to be careful, try it out, see how it works for you. Because remember, every product and especially every skincare product does not work for everybody the same, okay guys? But hey, I would say check it out. It's my new favorite line. Like, I'm excited, y'all. This is making my skincare routine exciting because I haven't really been doing my skincare correctly for the past like few months, okay? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave me a like, comment down below on what you guys want to see next. My boyfriend actually pranked me the other day so I've been sitting on that video. I'm gonna edit it and post that up probably next. But yeah guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and if you do, I love you so much. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.